Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you're doing great. Before we start, let me ask you something. Have you ever looked around your room and noticed the shapes of the objects around you? Your phone, your table, your window, even the clock on the wall, all of them have different shapes. So today I'm going to talk about types of shapes and how we can describe objects using those shapes. Don't worry, this won't be boring. I want you to imagine, observe, and maybe answer the question in your head as we go along. So let's start. A shape is the outer form of an object. Shape help us recognize objects easily. Imagine if everything had the same shape. Life would be very confusing, right? Shapes are divided into two-dimensional shapes and three-dimensional shapes. Two-dimensional shapes are flat, while three-dimensional shapes have volume. Now let's explore them one by one. Can you find something circular around you right now? Maybe a clock, a plate, or the camera lens you're using. A circle is a two-dimensional shape that has no concerns and no straight sides. Every point on a circle is the same distance from the center. Objects with a circle shape include wall clocks, coins, plates, and wheels. Why do you think wheels are circular? That's right, because circles can roll smoothly. This shape gives us a feeling of balance and continuity. Next, we have a square. Have you ever played chess or seen floor tiles? If yes, then you have seen squares. A square has four equal sides and four right angles. Examples of square-shaped objects are tiles, chessboard, windows, and notebooks. Squares often represent stability and order. That's why this shape is commonly used in buildings and designs. Now let's move on to the rectangle. Look at your phone screen or your book. What shape is it? Yes, most likely a rectangle. A rectangle has four sides and four right angles, but only the opposite sides are equal in length. Rectangular objects include books, doors, whiteboards, and smartphone screens. This shape is very practical, which is why we see it everywhere in daily life. Next is the triangle. Have you ever noticed the shape of warning sign on the road? Many of them are triangular. A triangle has three sides and three concerns. Examples of triangle shapes objects are road sign, roofs, and pizza slice. Triangles are known for their strength. In fact, many buildings and bridges use triangle structure to stay strong and stable. Now let's talk about the oval. Have you ever seen an egg or oval mirror? Yes, an oval looks similar to the circle, but it is slightly longer. It has smooth curves and no concerns. Oval shapes objects include eggs, mirrors, running tracks. The shape gives a soft and elegant impression and is often used in decoration. Alright, now let me ask you something. What happens if we add height to a shape? Yes, it becomes a three-dimensional shape. Three-dimensional shape have leg, weight, and height. Let's continue. First three-dimensional shape is a cube. Have you ever played with dice or held an ice cube? A cube has six square faces and all sides are the same size. Examples include dice, ice cubes, or gift box. Cubes are strong and balanced, which make them perfect for packaging. Next is cuboid. Can you name an object in your room shaped like a box? A cuboid is similar to a cube, but its faces are rectangles. Examples include books, wardrobe, and refrigerators. Now let's look at the cylinder. Yes, a cylinder has two circular faces and one curved surface. Examples include cans, bottles, and candles. The shape is ideal for holding liquids and can stand firmly. Next, we have a cone. Have you ever eaten ice cream in a cone? A cone has one circular base and one point top. Examples for cone are ice cream cones, traffic cones, and party hats. The shape easily catches attention, which is why it's often used for warnings. Finally, we have the sphere. What about a ball? What shape is it? A sphere is a perfectly round three-dimensional shape. Examples include balls, orange, and the earth. Sphere can roll in directions, making them very useful in sports and science. So, after learning all these shapes, let me ask you one last question. Can you now describe the objects around you using shapes? Shapes help us understand the world better. Every object has a shape, and each shape has a purpose. By learning shapes, we can describe objects clearly and confidently. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video helped you understand how to describe objects using shapes. Bye bye.
Saatnya sudah, akhir sekali.